Hey girlfriends, welcome back to my channel. It's Jazz and I'm back with another video, and we're just gonna get right into it because by the title of this video you already know. Now mind you, I haven't looked at any of these products. I've only opened the box, took a photo, posted it on my Instagram. I need to start posting on my YouTube community to let y'all also know who aren't on Instagram or Facebook know what's coming. I wasn't really even thinking about that, but here we are. So it's not as fancy as the PR boxes that are going around because I bought this myself, but I'm just gonna put it out there for the next product drops. Your girl's gonna be on the PR list. I'm just claiming it right now. So this is the box. I feel like, you know, people who know what this is, this is an easy snatch. You know, packages get snatched out. So it came with a cute little card. Welcome. And I got the ultimate fan package just so we can have everything. Comes with a bag. And as I was looking at it, I was like, can I just get the one without the bag? Because I feel like y'all probably upping the price for this bag. So there's that. It's a bag. So I'm just gonna pull everything out one by one and sit it behind me. First up, of course, it's the deep conditioner. This is the moisturizing deep conditioner. Looks really nice. Like, I love the packaging. The packaging is giving classic, expensive. I just like it. It just looks different. Doesn't look like everybody else. Deep conditioner. What's the next? Moisture sealing lotion. So this is kind of like, I would guess, like a styler after shampooing and conditioning. Moisture sealing lotion. Let's see what the directions say, because that's what you're supposed to do. Seals in moisture, leaving hair smooth and shiny. Applying sparingly on damp or dry hair for best results. Use before applying heat. So it's kind of like a heat protectant. Okay. Next is the clarifying shampoo and scalp scrub. Okay. Two. Let's see how this opens. Did it pop off? Or did it twist off? Oh, it's a pop-off situation. And then there's a lid that you kind of... Oh, it's one of those. Okay, this is how the lid is. It's like a hair oil, like normally how you would like get in your scalp, but this is really good. I've never seen a shampoo like that. So that's really good, so you can just get straight to the point without having to put it on your hands, and then so you can kind of get to your scalp immediately. I like that. Okay, so that's the shampoo. This is the reconstructing treatment mask. Nice. This is a little gray color. So this is not a deep conditioner, in all caps. After shampooing, apply to wet hair, leave on for no longer than 20 minutes, and rinse well. Oh, this is not a deep conditioner. Okay. All right. Let me get into what all of this stuff is supposed to do when I actually wash my hair. Next, we have a hydrating shampoo. So this is just going to be your regular shampoo, and that one is a clarifying shampoo. So if you don't really have buildup, then you don't need a clarifying shampoo. You could just use a hydrating shampoo. Let's see if the top is the same. Oh, this one is where you would get into your hands. So because the other one is a scalp scrub, that's why it has the applicator is different. Makes sense. fermented rice and rose protein ritual. Now, I was really looking forward to this, especially because my hair is colored, as to the protein. Okay. So it looks like there are 4 so it's 4 treatments in here. And you would use this with the bottle that they sent. Ritual shaking vessel applicator nozzle. Okay, so it's the whole thing. I did see that bottle. So the step-by-step process, you put each little packet in, shake it up. We're gonna get into all those details when I actually do the protein treatment. I wanna see what this bottle looks like. Let's see. No, it's lighter than I expected it to be. It's very light. It's like plastic, but it's super light. Okay, nothing special. So you shake it up, put this on there, and apply the treatment. Okay. Last but not least, we have the nourishing hair oil. Our luxurious blend of 13 oils and plant-based extracts seals in moisture and leaves a soft shine. Okay, so there are our signature African oil blend, baobab, moringa, black seed, sea, buckthorn oil, castor oil, sunflower seed oil, watermelon seed oil, olive oil, sweet almond oil, flaxseed oil, golden jojoba oil, argan oil, and coconut oil. That sounds like a nice little concoction there. Ooh, very nice. Very nice. I'm liking this. So, that is everything that I got in this kit, which was pretty much everything. And I'm excited. So, what should I do first? Should I do the protein treatment, or just, because there aren't really many stylers, so maybe just a wash and go, see what my curls look like after using the products. That might be the move. Maybe do the protein treatment, shampoo, because what does it say do? So this ritual is after shampooing, before conditioning. So we can just do everything all in one. Okay, so I'm going to do a wash and go. What y'all think? Or should I style it? Let me know in the comments. I think a wash and go would be good to see how my curls, because I'm kind of into the wash and go lately. This is a wash and go. This is like 3 days. Y'all see my little bang action I'm trying to have going here. I do want to do another video and get into this color, because I did recolor my hair. Didn't come out exactly like I wanted, but I still like it. We can go into that. So yeah, I think I'm gonna do a wash and go. Shampoo my hair with the clarifying shampoo, scalp treatment, see how that is, protein treatment, deep condition. Well, I have to pick one of the two. I'm either gonna do it. I'll probably do the reconstructive mask, just because I got my hair colored recently. But I wonder if you do, but see, that's the thing. If I do the protein treatment, do I need to do the reconstructive mask? I'm gonna do a little digging and see the process. And then if not, we'll just do the other products in a different video. So I definitely want to do the protein treatment. So we'll do that, do a wash and go. Let me know, did y'all get it? Did y'all get the Cècred? What are y'all thoughts? Have y'all used it yet? I'm excited to use it. So I'm gonna go through a full wash day in the shower. You're gonna get all my honest reviews about it, because I really want to see if it's giving everything everyone says it's giving. Okay. So look out for that. I'm going to actually do that this week. Today is Sunday. I'm going to wash my hair maybe Tuesday after the gym tomorrow, because my hair don't be making it through the gym. But at least my hair is going to be nice with new products. So, yeah, so I'm going to do that full wash routine from start to finish, so y'all can really see how these products work, get it up close. You can decide if you want to get it for yourself. And that's it. Also, let me know in the comments what other videos you want to see next. I have some other videos that I was sitting on, but I was like, you know what? Let's get this unboxing out ASAP. So, all right, that's it. That's all I got. Till next time. Oh, wait. Jayla wants to come say hi. She's been really patiently waiting. You say hi?
Hi.
Anything else you want to say?
Yeah.
What?
Well, I went to Ori's house.
You did? Okay, she went over her friend's house yesterday. She had a really good time.
And I didn't want to leave.
She did not want to leave. All right, you want to say bye?
Bye.
Goodbye, girlfriend.
Goodbye, girlfriend. See you next time.
All right. All right, as always, thank you all for watching. And until next video, peace.